Dave B here at Schumacher Chevrolet in Livingston, New Jersey. Quick video on a new feature that's coming with certain 2026 Traverses, Tahoes, and Suburbans. Now, like pretty much every new car, you're gonna get two keys. These keys are the key fobs that have the unlock, the lock, the remote start, the power lift gate. There's a key that comes out, like a manual key, in case you had to manually enter the vehicle. Well, like I said, now on certain 2026 Traverse, Tahoes, and Suburbans, you are going to get a key card. I really like this feature. Let me show you how it works. For the purpose of this video, I left both keys for this Tahoe on my desk. So the only thing I have is the actual key card. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that key card and we're just gonna touch it to the door handle. Just like this. You're gonna hear the doors unlock. You're gonna enter the vehicle and you're gonna notice that on the radio screen here, we have a message that says press brake to start vehicle, and there's a timer counting down. Right now it's at 1 minute and 46 seconds. Put our foot in the brake, press the start button like you normally would, the vehicle is gonna start up. Now, if you do not get the truck started up within that 2-minute time frame, you're gonna have to get out of the vehicle, close the door, press this to the door handle again to restart the process. Another thing I want to note, when you get in the vehicle, the first thing you're going to see is a message that says key missing, check for key. This is meant to be used as a backup to your regular key. So you want to use your normal key fobs every time you're driving the vehicle for daily use. In an emergency or in a pinch, if you lose the key, you forgot the key, this is what you would use as the backup. You can drive the vehicle just like you normally would. For instance, I put the key in the cup holder there, I go into drive, and I can just drive away like normal. So it can be used to unlock, start, and drive the vehicle. You can press your button here to dismiss the key message. But again, you want to use this as a backup to your actual key fobs. It's pretty neat. You leave it in your wallet, you leave it in your purse, you have it in case of an emergency. Once you drive to where you're going, you park your car at a parking spot like I'm doing right now. I'm gonna put the vehicle in park. I'm gonna turn it off and I'm going to exit the vehicle. Now what I'm going to do as I exit is I'm just going to basically press the lock button here to lock the vehicle and get out so it's locked. You can also just close the door and tap this against the door handle to lock the door. The one thing that will not work is the button. So when you have the card here, you can press this button all day long. It is not going to work. You have to actually press the key card to the door handle. Like that. That's to unlock. That's to lock. You even heard as it locked, the horn sounded. This way you know it locked the vehicle. Not a bad little feature. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you not like it? If you have any questions, put them in the comments.